Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in Fewer Than Two. Elon Musk still owns Twitter. It is not a public square. It wasn't a public square even before Elon Musk. It is very much a private company. Elon can do with it whatever he so desires. What he desires today? No longer letting users browse tweets, user profiles, or comment threads on the web without first logging in, redirecting all those URLs to a sign-in page. It reminds you, or should remind you, an awful lot of Facebook. But here's the thing. Facebook's not Twitter. Like, your entire family, if not the entire universe, is on Facebook. Even if they don't want to be on Facebook, that's where they are. Period. They're not on Twitter. People wanting to jump through hoops to get on Twitter, well, let me put it to you this way. That didn't work even when all that information was public. So if anything, this is likely to hurt Twitter more. Is there anything behind such a restriction that would warrant jumping through a hoop to see it? A cat meme? My tweets? I don't know. But this is just not really an indication that Elon knows what he's doing. I know a lot of people confuse having a lot of money with having a lot of intelligence, but that's not the case here. Like, seriously? This is the direction? Okay. I still use Twitter. I'm already logged in. Not a big deal for me. But in terms of growth and trajectory in the future, I'm not so sure this is gonna help.